Clear?
Yes.
Now let's move on to the next one. Polynomial function. Acha, you have heard of polynomials in which class? Polynomial in which class you have heard of?
10.
In 10 class, right? So what was polynomial is equal to? Polynomial was like this, right? A0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 an x to the power n. This one was polynomial, right? Yes or no? Where the powers of x is increasing? Please tell me. Huh? This was polynomial. Do you remember or not? Now, one thing. Can anybody tell me what is the degree of this polynomial? Let's see who remembers. What is the degree of this polynomial? Everybody forgot. Degree is actually what? Yes, n is correct. Very good. Degree is nothing but the highest power of x is the degree of the polynomial. Understood? The highest power of x is the degree of the polynomial. Acha, now I will give you some example. Is this a polynomial? Yes or no? Ax square plus bx plus c. Yes. And what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. That's right. So this actually known as what? Quadratic, right? This one is known as quadratic. Clear?
What are the equation?
It's not an equation. It's only will be an equation when I will equate it with 0. Okay, it's not an equation. It's just quadratic polynomial. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please clarify that one. Now look at here. Polynomial function. So a function f of r to r defined by y is equal to fx. This thing. Acha, now I have an important question. Can anybody tell me the domain of this function? I know it's too... can anybody tell me the domain of this function? Let's see. Give it a try. What is the domain of this function?
A.
Huh? What? What is the domain of this function? Again, you see. Can you see anything divided by 0 in here? Can you see anything divided by 0? No. Can you see square root in here?
Yes.
Where is square root? My God. Which eyes do you have? You have human eyes, right? Or you have tiger eyes? There is no square root, right? If there is no square root, if there is no anything divided by 0, the domain will be what? R. Yes or no? Am I clear? Everybody.
Yes.
Look. Okay, please don't mind. I'm just having fun, okay? Please don't mind, okay? Don't get upset or something like that. Okay, now don't feel bad. I'm just joking. Don't worry. Acha, look, ax square plus bx plus c. We seen always remember when I see two things. Whenever you find domain, anything divided by 0, if there is nothing about anything divided by 0, or if there is no square root, I don't care about anything. I will just write domain as R. Understood? Only when I say anything divided by 0, then I will care about the domain. Or I see square root of a negative number. Understood? Clear? Okay? And the range is also R. Acha, this one is a very, very big thing. So I will take a small example. I am taking a small example of a polynomial that is fx is equal to x square. This is a small example of this one. Okay. So let's try to explain this one. Let's see. Let's try to do the explanation of this one. So fx is equal to x square. Acha, first arrow diagram. Fx equal to x square. Let's do the arrow diagram first. Let's do the arrow diagram. Okay, now this side real numbers, right? So real numbers means what? We have negative numbers, positive numbers. I'm writing -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Same thing. The codomain is real number. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Look, I am just starting with -2, but it will go to minus infinity, right? And this side will go to infinity because they are real numbers. But I'm just writing this thing. Now, one by one, acha, we have to make it a bigger thing. We have to make a little bit bigger. There is a reason why I have to make it bigger. Acha, we are doing what? Fx equal to x square, right? Or y is equal to x square. We have to make it a bigger. Wait a second. I have to make it bigger. You will know why I have to make it bigger. Can anybody tell me now? Let's do the mapping. Fx equal to x square. -2 will be mapped with which one? Let's see. Who can tell me?
4, 4, sir.
Very, very good. -2 will go to 4 because fx equal to x square. -2 whole square is 4. Very good. -1 will be? -1 will go towards? 1. That's right. 0 will go towards? 1 will go towards?
1,
The same thing, right? And 2 will go towards? 4. Have you understood? Actually, this is for one particular x square thing, right? But when you take it as a whole, for this one, the range will be different. Actually, look, this is an example, okay? So if we are writing for this example, can you tell me what will be the range? For this example, what will be the range? Let's see. Who can tell me? What will be the range for this example? The range will be what?
0,
Huh? The range will be?
0, 1, 2, 0,
0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 4, 9. All the squares will come, right? Acha, one thing. No. It's not true. It's not true. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. It's not that. We are dealing with real numbers, right? But I'm not considering 0.1. I'm not considering 0.2. I'm not considering 0.3. Yes or no? Please tell me.
yes,
So 0.1 whole square will be something else. So, okay, another thing. There will be square root also. Please look at here. Please understand this thing. There will be square root also in here. Because square root of 2 is a real number, right? Yes or no? Please tell me. And square root of 2 whole square is what? Gives you 2, right? So here the domain will be R. The range will be, it can never be negative, right? Yes or no? No negative values will be there. The range will be 0 to infinity. This will be your range for this function x square. Am I clear? Have you understood?
yes, sir.
Just because it's a square function, it will be 0 to infinity. Now, here you see the range is R. Okay? Here the range is R. There is a reason why the range is R. Because here we are not discussing just x square. We are discussing about the polynomial. Acha, I will just give you another example. Let's do fx equal to x cube. Let's do fx equal to x cube. Let's do this one, then you will understand. Fx equal to x cube. Let's see. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, -8, -1, 0, 1, 8. Look, there are many elements, just I'm not writing it. Can anybody tell me minus 2 will be mapped with which one? I am doing fx equal to x cube. How much? Very good. Minus 2 will be mapped with minus 8. That's right. Minus 1 will be mapped with what? Minus 1. 0 will be mapped with what? So what you see in here, and one thing, x cube is also a polynomial, right? X cube is also a polynomial, yes or no?
Yes.
So in this polynomial, I see there are negative numbers in here. But in this polynomial, there was only positive numbers, right? Clear? So here, that's why the range can be R. Understood? Because when I'm thinking of x cube, the negative values are also there, the positive values are also there. So in general, the polynomial equation, the range is R. Understood? But if they ask you what is the range of x square, you will write 0 to infinity. Understood? Clear? Okay? But now another question. If they ask you what is the range of x cube, what you will tell? What is the range of x cube? What you will tell? The range of x cube will be R. Understood? Look, I haven't considered there are many terms, right? Understood? I haven't considered them like minus 1.5, minus 1.2. I haven't found out the cube of those terms because they will be more difficult to find, right? Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the range is R. I know it's a bit difficult. Acha, let's draw this one. Y is equal to x square curve. Let's draw this curve. Let's see. Tell me, when x is 0, y is how much? When x is 0, y is how much?
0.
0, very good. When x is 1, y is how much?
1.
1. When x is minus 1, y is how much?
Minus 1.
Ah, gone. Gone. When x is 1, y is 1. Sorry, when x is minus 1, y is 1.
Yes.
So it will be here, right?
Yes.
It will not be down. When x is 2, y is how much?
8.
Wow. 8. I am dealing with x square, not x cube. I am drawing the diagram of x square. Acha, I'm sorry. 4, very good. Acha, when minus 2, when x is minus 2, y is how much? 4.
4.
Last one, when x is 3, y is how much?
6.
6. Huh?
No, 9.
Yes. Don't say 6. And when x is minus 3, y is 9, right? So the curve will be like this. Okay? And this one has a particular name. This is known as parabola. You will come to know. This one is known as parabola. Yeah, I know the name is quite weird. Have you understood about polynomial function? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Acha, we have got 10 minutes left. Let's finish with rational function. Now this is one of the most important function. Here we have a problem. Here we will face some problem. Rational function, functions which can be expressed as, we have done rational numbers, right? Numbers which can be expressed as p by q form, right? Yes or no? Rational functions are expressed in the form of f of x by g of x. Understood? Where fx and gx are polynomial functions of x and x defined in the domain where gx not equal to 0. Can anybody tell me why they have said gx not equal to 0? What's the need of saying gx not equal to 0? What is the need? What is the need of saying gx not equal to 0? Pass.
Because it's the rule of rational numbers, sir, where we can express in the form of p by q and q not equal to 0.
Why they say that thing? Why is that rule? What is the reason behind that rule? What is the reason behind that? I know it's a rule.
Because if the denominator will be 0, then all
Yes, yes, that's the thing. The thing is that undefined. That's the most important thing. When we don't know anything, when the denominator becomes zero, undefined. Okay? That should be my answer. Gx not equal to zero because it's undefined. Understood? Simple as that. Don't go into rule or something. Clear? Okay, now here, so let us do one example. Look, rational function, there can be many rational functions. So let us pick one example. Here the function is defined. Look at here. The domain has changed in here. R minus 0 to R, defined by fx is equal to 1 by x. Can anybody tell me what is the domain of 1 by x? Let's see. We have to like done so many things. Who can tell me what is the domain of 1 by x? You have done so many assignments. Now tell me what is the domain of 1 by x? Pass. First of all,
minus 0.
very good. First of all, think when this function becomes undefined, this function becomes undefined when x is 0, right? So I need to remove 0. So it will be all possible values are minus 0. Have you understood?
Yes.
So that's why the domain written in here r minus 0. Am I clear? Understood? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So the domain is r minus 0 and the range is r. So how come the range is r? Let's explain. Let us see an arrow diagram. Let us do then arrow diagram. Now let's see. Minus 2, minus 1. Acha, for our sake, 0. Let's see one thing. I want to trick you guys. I have so much joy in tricking people. I don't know why. I must be punished for that. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Achha, let's write here minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Aha. Minus 0.5. I'm not writing minus 1. I'm just writing like this. Now, one by one. Minus 2 will be mapped with what? This is the function. 1 by x is the function. Minus 2 will be mapped with what? Let's see. Who can tell me? Minus 2 will be mapped with what?
Minus 0.5.
Minus 0.5. Very good. Because minus 2 will become what? Minus 1 by 2, right? And 1 by 2 is 0.5. Very good. That's right. Minus 1 will be mapped with what? Actually, I have removed that minus 1. Yeah. What is this? Minus 1 will be mapped with minus 1, right?
Minus 1.
Now 0 will be mapped with what?
0.
I caught you. I caught you. I told what? When I have 0, the function becomes undefined, right? R minus 0, 0 cannot be present in the domain. Because we are doing R minus 0, right? Because for 0, the function becomes undefined. So 0 cannot be in the domain. This was my purpose of writing the 0 in there. So clear? 0 cannot be there. Yes or no? Okay. Now 0.5 will be mapped with what? 0.5 will go towards what? 0.5 will go towards
2.
2. That's right.
1.
2. 2. 0.5 is actually what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 is what? 2. And 1 will go towards 1. So what you see? All the negative numbers and positive numbers are there, right? So the range will be
R.
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 Yes, that's how it is. So let's leave the class today up till here, and tomorrow we'll discuss these three functions. Okay? Understood?
Sure. Yes, sir.
And about the diagram also we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and I will try to give you some assignment regarding this one. Okay. Bye.